Very messy. Now it's time to check what's inside. So,
I can't wait.
we've got half of the face. We've got the other half of the face.
We got the feet.
We've got the feet. And we've got the spinner.
I don't know what that is.
And I do not know what this is. So the aim of the game is to spin the wheel, and if it lands on the one with the spinner, it means you've got to press it once and then spin it again. If it lands on the X, it means whatever number it lands on, it means you've got to double it. If it lands on the arrow, it means you've got to miss again. So let's get started. So we first spin it.
Land on 3.
Okay,
So?
so we pushed it down 3 times. We just
Really quick play.
bend the head down. Okay. Oh, I got him! You got first. Right. Me first, you get one more go.
Oh, right, you get another go. Okay.
Alright, put your head down.
Oh, you get 2 goes.
Before you won't get him on this go, but... Oh, I didn't get it.
One more go, I think.
No, you have 3. Your turn now, Asha.
Miss a go.
Ah, Asha, you got to miss a go.
Actually, you don't have to go. Oh, actually, missed a go.
Miss a go.
Miss a go. Right, my
You
turn.
go to no
That's
go.
my turn.
One. Got 1. Oh, no, you didn't get 1. Alright, me first. Asha, oh, miss a go. Right, back to me. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh, miss a go.
Miss a go.
3. Right, push it down 3 times and let go. Oh,
And again.
Oh!
And again.
Oh my gosh, this
And
is
again.
It's
And
so
again.
oh gosh.
Oh, no. 1.
Oh,
Oh. I should remember when I was scared. I was so scared.
I'm really scared. I don't know what to do. 3.
Oh,
no.
oh, you're gonna get 7. I bet you.
Oh my gosh. Close.
And again. Do it. Remember, you got 1 more go. 1 more go. 1 more.
I got 1 more.
1 more.
That was so funny.
Okay. Move first, your turn. No, it's your turn.
No,
It's
it's
not
my
your
turn.
turn.
Right, 1.
One.
Remember, let go up straight away. Oh.
Oh, my turn.
That was so funny.
I'm scared.
1.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my god.
My eyes. I don't want to get soaked anymore.
Right.
I've been soaked 2 times.
I don't want to
not
get
actually
soaked.
4. Come on, Ruby.
1. Okay, I'm so lucky. This time.
Oh, dear.
Good. Right, me first. Over to you.
No.
Remember?
X. That means, I'm sorry, Rufus, but, and again. You've got 2. Yay! And again. And again. It's in my mouth. His mouth. Right, and again. And again. That counts. That counts. That did count.
That counts. Oh my gosh.
Sticky. And
I know. 3.
it's like glue.
And again!
Twice now. Twice. It went in my mouth. It went in my mouth.
Okay, I'm going next. 1.
Come on, Ruben.
Okay, I'm scared. Oh, good. Good.
Oh, my face. What did you get?
2.
What did you get? I got
2.
2.
It's like having a
Really
shower.
quickly.
Alright.
Again.
So,
my turn.
I think it's all gone. Yep, I think it's all gone.
Gone.
So, please